Hi again, here with Scott from Easy Travel Pad, and today we're going to take a look at the Secrets the Vine Resort. We're in the hotel zone of Cancun where the beaches are pristine, the water is turquoise gorgeous, and you're going to love this. So hang on, let's take a look. Alright, so arriving at Secrets the Vine here in Cancun in the hotel zone. The place is beautiful.
This is 1800.
You're going to interface with the bellboys for your luggage. They're going to help you with everything. And then it's off to check-in. Okay, so once you arrive, you're going to complete your check-in there in the lobby, and if your room is ready, they'll take you straight away up the elevators, 5 minutes tops. If your room's not ready, you'll wait in the comfortable lobby. This is kind of a space for everybody all the time. It's a gathering spot throughout the day and the evening. Entertainment here, just a cool vibe, some games to play, and convenient to everything. Entering our room here, which is number 1804. Come into the bathroom area, big shower, sink, a couple of closets. Going to have everything that you need. Nice work area with a flat screen TV. Big comfortable king size bed. Some lounge area. And then a fantastic view. Today in Cancun it's kind of breezy. Up here on the balcony on the 18th floor we've got some comfortable seating. You can see the breeze is kicking up the waves like nobody's business. It's still beautiful. Overlooking next door the Sandos Cancun, and then in the distance up the rest of the hotel zone across the lagoon you can see the city of Cancun off in the distance. Okay, so we're going to take a look at one of the nicest rooms on the property. This is the honeymoon oceanfront. You'll see it's very oceanfront, and it is an amazing room. Huge counter, mini fridge, everything you need there. Television in this living area. It spins around, so it really serves two different living areas. It's all kinds of closet space. Here, complimentary beach bag, of course. So the television spins into this other living area. Very comfortable. Room for entertaining. So this is a very nice solution, let's say, to a destination wedding where people are going to be doing some entertaining. Again, nice living area. We're going to take a look at the view here in a minute. Bedroom. That television will slide down into the cabinet for a better view. King bed, very comfortable. Bath, double lavatories, huge shower with double rain head shower heads on the other side. A soaking tub, outdoor furniture. We'll go back through and take a look at the outside. It's really windy today, so I'm not going to open this door, for if I do, all hell's going to break loose. See some outdoor seating there. The balcony wraps around the corner and goes down quite a ways. And then let's take a look at the view. The sunrise view in Cancun. We're in the afternoon now, but the sun's going to come up over there. This is going to be an amazing morning. Stunning. In the lobby, convenient, is a great space for pastries and coffees, lattes, cappuccinos. Open, as far as I know, 24/7. They always seem to be here. Blue Water Grill. This is your place for a great steak in the evening. It gets hopping here around 6:30, so don't be late. No reservations, first come, first serve. For lunch, we've got some hamburgers and hot dogs here. That sea salt smells terrific. But it's not only just about hamburgers and hot dogs. They've got a really terrific menu with a lot of, it's a Peruvian cuisine restaurant. So lots of seafood, lunch and dinner. There are a couple of options for breakfast buffet. One of them is Dragons. This is by night. This is the Asian fusion restaurant for dinner. And in the morning serves as breakfast buffet. Red is the piano bar, serves as one of the hubs for entertainment during the evening, and it can get hopping. Cabaret night the other night was pretty cool. Now, the primary buffet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner is Market Cafe. Take a swing through here and just give you a little bit of a sense of what it's all about. There are, as you might imagine, a wide variety of fruits and salads, cheeses and meats, charcuterie, eggs, lots of Mexican tostadas, tamales, of course, egg station, eggs your way. Plenty of breads, of course, but I think beyond the sweet treats, my favorite is the donut bar. It's our rack of donuts, pick your own. Now, it wouldn't be a proper resort without a proper spa. And you can get all your treatments here. And then beyond the spa, just a bit with an outstanding view. You can catch a workout. You're gonna do some spin classes, I'm sure. Some nice cardio equipment with treadmills and ellipticals, and the view is just amazing. Of course, there's free weights and machines. A great day starts with a great workout. Ready for a little late night entertainment? Well, even during the day. Halftime, up the stairs, sports bar, lots of fun. And there are plenty of screens with lots of different games on. Open throughout the day and obviously into the evening, and even complete with pool table to have some fun. And the beach is fantastic and the water is gorgeous. So as we make our way out of the lobby, down the boardwalk toward the ocean, you know and are reminded that you're at Secrets Divine. A few more short steps and you arrive at the end of the boardwalk. Panoramic view. A great place to see sunrise in the morning. The beach anytime. So there's several pools, as well as a preferred club pool for preferred club guests. But one thing to note, this is one of the few adult-only all-inclusive resorts that does not have a swim-up bar. So if a swim-up bar is mandatory on your list, you might want to scratch this one. However, that doesn't really make much of a difference, and if bar service by the pool or the beach is okay, then you're probably going to like this a lot. Hey, you know what? The pool service here and the beach service is really good. Here we got an infinity pool overlooking the wild Caribbean today. Another beachside pool there near the Sea Salt restaurant. Then a lap pool. Ample seating and some terrific cabanas that you can rent for the day. A little noontime aerobics in the water. That's a good thing. You can sign up for some wine tastings, some tequila tastings near the Water Sports Center, and also the tours desk. Now up on top of the 12th floor with a view one direction across the lagoon to the city of Cancun, and then the other direction to the Caribbean Sea, so oceanfront. This is the Preferred Club pool and lounge area, and also Olio restaurant, which is available for Preferred Club guests for breakfast a la carte. Alright, so that's going to do it for our tour of Secrets Divine. I hope you enjoyed the video to see if this is a good place for your next great vacation. I think so. If you're looking for something that's, upscale, adults only, in Cancun's hotel zone, the beach is beautiful, a little bit more sophisticated here. Not as much of a party vibe, but you can still have a lot of fun. The entertainment's great. So thanks again. When it's time for your great next vacation, reach out to your friends in the travel business here at Easy Travel Pad. We don't charge any fees, and we're here to help. We know a couple things about it. Thanks again.